Hi guys, it's Rowan aka the Human Voice Box, and here bringing you more free sound effects that you guys can use on your film. This is going to be a man winning a competition. So if you're doing a film with a great finale where a guy wins a super competition and is really happy and he's set for life, then you can use this free sound effect for him winning. So I'll play it now. That is the correct answer. You have won everything. No, you're joking. Me? I never win anything. I won. I won. This is incredible. No way. I win. I won. Yeah. Woo, woo. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Thank you. I'm so proud. I worked so hard, and if my mom was still here, she'd be so proud of me. I did it for you, Mom. I did it for you. Thank you.